Do you enjoy watching movies?
Or maybe you want to talk about movies in English more confidently.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about going to the movies, favorite films, and weekend entertainment.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about movies and entertainment.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use when talking about films.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Do you want to watch a movie this weekend?
Sure.
Great.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy action movies.
Really?
Yes, they're exciting.
I prefer comedy movies.
Those are fun too.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like animated films.
Me too.
Should we watch a movie on Saturday?
Sounds good.
Perfect.
Do you usually buy popcorn?
Always.
Me too.
Movies aren't the same without popcorn.
I agree.
Do you like watching movies at home or in a cinema?
I prefer the cinema.
Why?
The screen is bigger.
That's true.
What about you?
I like both.
Good answer.
Have you ever had a funny experience at the cinema?
Yes.
What happened?
I accidentally sat in the wrong seat.
No way.
Yes.
Did someone tell you?
Eventually.
What about you?
I once dropped my popcorn everywhere.
Seriously?
Yes.
That's embarrassing.
Very embarrassing.
Did people laugh?
A little.
At least it's funny now.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.